Okay guys, let's see how we can trade Boom 1000 with $20 capital using the same strategy. It is very easy and you're going to love every bit of it. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to this platform, and I would like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go back to what we have right here. If you have any question at all, can you drop your questions in the comment section? I will be there to reply you. Okay guys, this asset actually got to this resistance zone and it was unable to break out above it. So since it's unable to break out above it, then the next thing you should wait for is the change in direction of the trend. And of course, how do we know that? You can see the red dotted line, it came up, and of course it shows that the market has actually changed into a downtrend. Okay, so this should be getting you prepared to sell. When should you go into the market to sell? Wait for these big dots line, these big dots at this point. Okay, it is a sell signal, and once you get that, it means that you should sell from here. It means that you should sell from here. Okay, so this is very important. So all you just need to do is just to place your sell order around here. Okay, so once you place your sell order around there, so it means that right here you have your sell order, and of course using the smallest capital because you are using a small, using the smallest lot size because you are using a small capital. And at the top right here where we have our resistance zone, put your stop loss there. Okay, so that you can protect some part of your capital. Okay, so this is very important. And as you can see, this market actually picked up from there and it started selling, and it got to this region. Okay, so it kept on selling, okay, playing up and down, and at this stage I will advise you to readjust your stop loss and to somewhere like this, okay, so that you can lock up some part of your profit in case the market turns around suddenly. This actually went down till it got to a major support zone, and at this point I expect you to lock up about 20% of your profit. Okay, about 80% of your profit, while you expose 20% of the profit to the market to see if you can make more profit. That is if it breaks out below this support zone, but in this case it did not break out below the support zone. So as you can see, it started an uptrend. Okay, so which means you would have closed your asset, your order for a sell signal, and of course you are supposed to come in for a buy signal around here. So right here is a support zone. As you can see, it is a support zone, and of course you just wait for an uptrend signal. We got the uptrend signal, and of course we need a buy signal, so we got it around here. So all you just need to do is just to come in and place your order somewhere here while you put your stop loss at this point. Okay, so this is very important, and as you can see, this actually gave us lots of profit at the end of the day. Got to this region, and of course all you just need to do is just to readjust your stop loss to somewhere here to lock up about 40% of your profit. Okay, and of course as this is playing up and down, it gave us the opportunity to get to this point. Okay, and of course you should adjust your stop loss again to lock up more profit for yourself. This time around about 60% of the profit should be locked up. Okay, and as it is going up, okay, you lock up more profit for yourself, but this time around you should be locking up about 80% of the profit. You can see this is giving us more profits at this point, and of course after that it came to an end and we started another downtrend signal. You can see that with this custom made indicator you can easily say where the market is going to, and of course you can easily focus on it, follow the trend right from the beginning till the very end. That is how amazing it is. Okay, and it works for all the assets, and that is why you can always be with this strategy, you can always be in profit on daily basis. Okay, so for those of you who are having this trading tool or the other one, congratulations. congratulations to you guys, and of course you can go ahead and try out this strategy and see how it works. Okay, for those of you who are not having, you can make use of the promo that will be going on this weekend on the Telegram platform, okay, and get yours right now. Okay, so you guys can check out the Telegram platform. I will be posting an update on it so that you guys can make use of it to get yours right now. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.